Hi YouTube, welcome to Wesbix. Today we've got this Matlock 1539, beautiful padlock. It's as Lock Noob said, it looks like they are, or at least some of them are made by Federal Lock. As you can see, it works a treat. It is brand new. There's the bitting on the key. Like I say, it looks very much like a Federal key, and the keyway, and also the pins inside. But anyway, let's see if we can get into it using the Mad Bob's carbon jackknife. Bit of movement on the core then. It's very well made padlocks, but it's so cheap. I think this was, I don't know, 10, 11 quid. And for such a beast of a padlock. He's, as far as I can tell, he's a 6-pinner. Overset there, I think. Proper full set now. Just got to find that one that's binding. I think it's there. Number 3. That was an overset. Back into my full set. So number 5 set, number 6 is set. Number 4, I'm getting counter on number 4. And we're in. Right, so we have a look, see if we can get this thing gutted. We need a screwdriver. See if it looks like a Federal inside as well, shall we? So I can get this shit out. So it is rekeyable. Stick a shim in there, I think, and a towel. Right, key pins are up top. So, use full 6-pinner, everything needed picking. Just drop these out, serration, it's a steel serrated in number 1. It's a standard brass tiny little thing in number 2. Brass serration number 3. Standard number 4. Serrated number 5. And another steel serrated in number 6. He's got counter milling. Let's see if we can get this. They've all got a slight counter milling in them. So I'll just flip my camera up. Okay, so number 1, I swear they look very federal. We've got a standard steel number 1. The little barrel pin number 2. Spool number 3. Spool number 4. Spool number 5. And spool number 6. And standard springs in there. One steel spring in number 1. Let's have a look at these. So that kind of confirms that they are very federal. As you can see, what a beautiful lock. 1539, picked and gutted. Thank you very much.